Clarendon residents protest shooting of teens. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Links 007 TV News Report has been reliably informed that a massive protest is going on the main road leading into Lionel town. This started as early as 5 a.m. today when residents of Lionel town blocked the main road leading to the community police station to protest last night's fatal shooting of at least one teenager. Unconfirmed reports suggest that the fatalities could rise up to 3.
Deputy Superintendent Cardoza from the Operations Department of Clarendon Division. Now last night about 8:15, the police recognized a vehicle that was traveling rather carelessly along the Hayes main road. Attempts were made to intercept this vehicle. However, the driver failed to stop and sped off in the direction of Lionel town. The vehicle eventually crashed along a section of the road, and this resulted in 2 of its occupants being killed. The other occupants suffered certain injuries, and some were transported to the Maypen Hospital thereafter. Now at 4:30 this morning, residents have sought to block the Hayes main road in protest of the incident last night. Now we have cleared the blockade so far, and we have been assuring the citizens that the investigation will follow. The requisite entities have already intervened and the investigation is ongoing. So we have asked the citizens just to allow the investigation to do its course and to maintain the peace.
As it is, the person was saying the car was shut up.
I cannot speak at this time to the car being shut up, but I know there was an incident, and as I said earlier, the persons in the vehicle, the occupants of the vehicle, were injured and they were taken to the Lionel Town Hospital.
Allegations are that some might have succumbed to their injuries. Can you speak to that?
Right, 2 persons have succumbed to their injuries based on the incident last night.
According to sources, a group of teenagers were heading home after curfew hours after attending a party. The driver of the vehicle disobeyed the police signal to stop, it is said, as the vehicle was not licensed, sources informed Links 007 TV News. Up to late Saturday night, family members of those in the car and other residents were at the Lionel Town Community Hospital hoping to get some word on their loved one. The police are maintaining a strong presence in the area and will have an updated news report to come on this.